Here in the video, we will share the details for the Street Fighter Duel Error Code N2003-0. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when users try to play the game but are repeatedly hit with the error and are unable to proceed. According to our research, this is most likely a server-side issue. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to power cycle your gaming device and internet router. Once done, try launching the game and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then check if you need to update the game. If there is any pending update, install it and check for the error again. If the error still persists, then try connecting over a different Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot. Once connected, launch the game and check if this helps with the error. At last, if the error still persists, then probably the servers are down. So we suggest you wait for some time and try again. Meanwhile, you can also refer to the game's official Discord server and check if there are any recent server announcements or if other players are also reporting similar issues. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.